It's the 29th of September, and today's brief upload or update is with regard to not only the issues that I've mentioned previously with regard to identity theft and individuals of imposter syndrome, but also the individuals that are presenting disinformation and falsified information. So as I've made aware since yesterday, it's been 4 years and 9 months since the Honourable Government were notified with regard to the offences that I've been experiencing as a law-abiding citizen and as a peacekeeper and a humanitarian. So the issue that I'm bringing to the public knowledge today is that there is a very serious offence being made against human rights and positive politics in Tralee, County Kerry, due to individuals that have been of fraud, exploitation, identity theft, false reporting, the whole lot. I've experienced it all since my child was unlawfully separated from me and since I became a married mother, but also previously back in 2006 when they first commenced their slander and defamation that is still an unresolved case, an unresolved issue and an unresolved offence. So I've been experiencing these matters in Tralee, County Kerry, and it's just highlighting very poor representation of the calibre of standards and professionalism, courtesy, integrity, all of those very important characteristics, traits, features, objectives for positive progress and for dignity and for sincerity of human rights to be respected. So these individuals have been obstructing human rights of Maria McElligott, of a royal bloodline, of royal heritage, due to their treason and their poor practices and bad faith, and also due to their property theft from my portfolio and their creative and intellectual property theft as well. So I've not received any support or services from the government, even though it has obligations to my royal title. I'm not of common law, and I'm a property owner and I'm a married mother, and there's a very, very serious offence being made against human rights and peacekeeping and humanitarian endeavours that are of positive politics, positive progress and positive professionalism. So these people are really highlighting very serious failings. They're neglecting the reality, they're presenting falsehoods. It's absolutely outrageous. And for my beautiful child to be kept from my care illegally without a just or fair trial, and these individuals presenting falsehoods, very dangerous, defamatory falsehoods against my clean track record and my teaching profession. It's just absolutely outrageous. So I hope all the educators and humanitarians and the peacekeepers of the world are aware of my experiences and of the circumstances and standards in Tralee, County Kerry due to the ongoing cycle being perpetuated that involves financial theft, property theft, creative intellectual theft, the whole lot. So from 2006 to the present date, this is what I've been tolerating, and it's quite serious for women and children's rights as well, since my son was unlawfully separated from me due to individuals trying to acquire from my portfolio of property and disrupting family and faith in this community with poor practices. So that's just my upload for today, and I would appreciate if the dignity, integrity and common sense of the humanitarian objectives be acknowledged and honourability be upheld if it's possible in a democracy in 2021. The slander of my good name has been quite atrocious, and for a law-abiding citizen of a very clean track record as a humanitarian and a peacekeeper, educator, the whole lot, etc., it would be really appreciative of my family, for my family to have dignity and respect and common sense and courtesy with regard to the problems being caused in our community as a consequence of liabilities disrespecting humanitarianism and the constitution of democracy.